Hello, my name is Michael Erner and I'm the CEO of Tergis Technologies. We are requesting $25,000. Tergis Technologies was founded by myself and my partner Paul Bargalf last July in 2017. It started as a class project, UC Merced's Innovate to Grow capstone competition. We made a humidifier for mechanical ventilators for our community client, Valley Children's Hospital in Madera. They had the issue of premature infants developing ventilator-associated pneumonia, or VAP. Our goal with this product was to reduce condensation in the ventilator system, which will remove the environmental conditions bacteria needs to grow. We actually ended up receiving a patent for this project. However, we spoke to more medical staff and we found that the problem is both the reservoir and the tubing. We created the reservoir, but we found that the tubing can actually be manufactured quicker and cheaper than the reservoir, so we decided to focus on that again. Our mission is to make hospitals cleaner and safer through mechanical remedies. By that, we mean constructing medical devices that preclude bacterial growth by eliminating habitable environments. We want to reduce the use of antibiotics and antimicrobials because we want to reduce the amount of virulent, drug-resistant pathogens. If we can prevent pathogens from growing in the first place, there will be less reliance on these pharmaceuticals. We have a prototype that we were able to reduce condensation by 91% when compared to the current tubing on the market through our testing. However, we need a transparent prototype in order to move forward with our testing and gain FDA clearance. When we can get our 510K clearance to the FDA, we can start marketing the devices to hospital and start getting these tubes into neonatal intensive care units, or NICUs. For now, since we are focusing on the products in the NICUs, we're going to focus on the problems of the NICUs. When a baby is born prematurely, they are going to be born with underdeveloped lungs, and these lungs are more susceptible to infection leading to VAP. This is what we were told by the medical staff at Valley Children's Hospital, as well as through our research with the CDC. We know that bacteria grows in the condensation that forms the tubing because we're given that data from infection control specialists from Valley Children's Hospital, Kaiser Permanente, and Sutter Health. So we know tubing is a focus that we need to address. Right now, our ideal market are children's hospitals, and they will be for the next 2 to 3 years while we establish a track record of success in a small population. There are 1,100 NICUs in America, 100 of which are in California. These 1,100 NICUs serve 400,000 premature infants annually. We are precluded from marketing our products until we have FDA clearance. Without it, marketing is illegal. However, within the FDA pre-marketing guidelines, we have shown our prototypes to interested customers in California, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Michigan, and Texas. The interested nurse in Texas actually told us she wants to get this product into as many hospitals as possible because she has not seen a device like this in her 35 years as a nurse. These devices also work with CPAP users, which is another market segment we are exploring in addition to the hospitals. Our product is a heated ventilator tube that heats from the outside in rather than inside out, and the heating element heats the walls of the tube, preventing condensation from forming by maintaining proper air temperature. And this is the source of novelty that we are seeking patent protection on. We have designed the tube to fit existing infrastructure, meaning users of the product do not have to undergo additional training and the hospitals can continue using their existing equipment. So far, we have a working prototype that we can run tests on. We have secured a manufacturer, Biomerics in Minnesota, which has agreed to help us prototype the device as well as offer us their FDA consultation services to guide us through the FDA process, ensuring we get our proper clearance. We have designed our devices based off the feedback from medical staff we have been working with, so our device will meet their standards and we know it will be a solution to their problems. We have received FDA protocols from professors from the University of Minnesota and the University of Wisconsin. By getting these protocols, we have saved time and money because we will know exactly what the FDA will be looking for and can expedite the clearance process. These funds will enable us to make the device that meets the FDA standards so we can carry out those protocols on benchtop testings as quickly and efficiently and accurately as possible. Once we have this data, we can send it off to the FDA and our 510K application packet, which will help us get approved for marketing. Once we're approved for marketing, we can start generating pre-orders and purchasing agreements while we start production and distribution through Biomerics. We're also looking for multiple qualified suppliers to assist with future production when we expand to the adult market. Thank you for your time.